If starting a house cleaning business was as easy as buying a mop and charging for your time, everyone would be rich by now. But here's the real truth. Running a cleaning business is about so much more than just cleaning. It takes grit, stamina, and strategy. And if you don't have the right mindset, you'll burn out before your business even gets off the ground. Welcome, my bona fide peeps. After 18 plus years in the house cleaning business, started with no mentor, no money, and nothing but a $60 supply kit and determination, I'm here to share the raw truth about what it really takes to run a successful house cleaning business. If you've ever wondered, is a house cleaning business right for me? This video will give you the answer. Today, I'm breaking down 10 signs that show you're ready to start a cleaning business. And some of these may surprise you. Stick with me until the end because I'll also answer the most common questions people ask before jumping into this industry.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the light. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.
10 signs you're ready to start a house cleaning business. 1. You actually enjoy cleaning. If cleaning drains you instead of bringing peace and satisfaction, this isn't the business for you. Passion fuels persistence. For me, loving order, tidiness, and transformation has been one of my biggest advantages. 2. You have the stamina for physical work. This is hands-on labor, scrubbing, bending, lifting, moving non-stop. As one of my first clients told me, house cleaning isn't for sissies. 3. You obsess over details. The difference between average cleaners and high-paid cleaners? Attention to detail. Clients notice when you care for their space like it's your own. They love the little touches, dusting items before putting them back, watering a plant, or bringing in packages. Those thoughtful extras make you unforgettable. 4. You're great with people. Customer service equals repeat clients and referrals. Running the cleaning business means working directly with people, so strong communication and people skills are a must. Think about the last time you hired a service professional. If they were polite, on time, and guided you clearly through the process, you felt respected and valued, and you likely wanted to hire them again. That's the experience you want to give your clients. Clear communication plus respect equals trust. 5. You're independent and self-motivated. There's no boss pushing you. You need discipline, consistency, and drive to keep going. For me, mindset has been everything. I love being a learner and setting my own goals, whether it's building credit, buying a home, or scaling my business. Having a steady income from cleaning gave me the ability to plan my future and hit financial targets. That kind of self-motivation is what transforms a side hustle into a successful business. 6. You're willing to learn business skills. Marketing, bookkeeping, scheduling. Running a cleaning business is 50% cleaning, 50% entrepreneurship. In the beginning, I had to wear all the hats. Cleaner, marketer, bookkeeper, and customer service rep. It was hard, but learning those skills is what kept my business alive and growing. 7. You know your market. Do your research. Is there demand in your area? Can you stand out with a niche like eco-friendly, pet-friendly, or deep clean packages? In my area, the Antelope Valley, California, solo cleaners average $25 to $45 per hour. I service Rosamond, Lancaster, Palmdale, California City, Acton, and Santa Clarita. Wherever you are, understanding your market will help you set fair prices and attract the right clients. 8. You can budget and reinvest. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. I began with just $60 in supplies: a vacuum, mop, broom, bucket, and ladder. I even printed my own flyers with ribbons to hang on doors, back when pizza coupons were left the same way. As I gained more clients, I reinvested into better tools like a Shark vacuum, steam cleaner, and improved marketing. Small, steady upgrades made a huge difference. 9. You're flexible, but know your limits. Flexibility builds trust, but saying yes to everything leads to burnout. In my early years, I overextended myself trying to accommodate every client request. But I learned the hard way that constant last-minute changes destroy your health and schedule. Clients will respect your time if you set clear cleaning days and boundaries. Say yes when you can, but don't be afraid to say no when necessary. Balance is the key to long-term success. 10. You have a clear vision. Are you building a side hustle, a team, or a long-term career? Your vision shapes your path. When I started this business, there were 2 of us. It grew fast, so fast that we eventually split the business in 2 so we could continue offering high-quality service without compromising. After that, I built my own team. I hired 3 workers, and with myself, we were a team of 4. Together, we cleaned 3 to 4 homes per day. It was a small business, but it was very profitable, and my workers were paid well. But after 18 plus years, I chose to slow down. Today, I clean just 1 house per day and plan to fully retire from cleaning by June 2026. Envision your first 2 years. Maybe you'll start solo, then scale to 20 plus clients a month as you hire and train a small team. With clear goals, you'll know exactly where you're heading. Q&A House Cleaning Business Basics. Can you really start a house cleaning business with little money? Yes. Many successful cleaners, including me, started with under $100 in supplies. Growth comes from reinvesting wisely. How profitable is house cleaning? Solo cleaners average $25 to $60 per hour. With a team, you can scale to $500 to $1,000 per day. Do I need a business license? Depends on your location. Some start without and add licenses and insurance later. Always check local laws. What skills matter most besides cleaning? Customer service, time management, and marketing. Without them, repeat clients will be hard to keep. Is house cleaning a good business for moms? Absolutely. Many parents start solo, work around school hours, and expand later. Starting a house cleaning business isn't glamorous, but it's real, profitable, and life-changing if you approach it with the right mindset. And the truth is, not many people are willing to do this kind of hard work. That's why it's fast money. You do the cleaning, and you get paid the same day. On my Helpful Vibes channel, I share business tips and strategies for people starting out. Whether you're working solo or building a very small team, subscribe or leave a comment if you're serious about building independence and income with house cleaning. I will be diving deeper into some of these 10 signs or topics in my next blogs and videos, giving you real, practical guidance as you grow your cleaning business. And if you'd like, in the description, there's a link to the full blog content of my video, so you can read, take notes, and learn at your own pace. Thanks a bunch for watching. Stay bona fide, keep learning and growing. I'll see you in the next video.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the life. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.